How to remove columns with any missing value. In our given data frame, we have 4 columns as name, age, city and salary. And we can see that out of these 4, only one column has no missing value. Rest all, age has 3 missing value, city has 1 and similarly the salary has 1 also. Now run this code to construct the data frame from a data dictionary, and now our task is to remove the columns even if they have a single missing value. So this time we are going to use the dropna function. Now by default the dropna function will remove the rows with missing value, and the row axis is 0 and the columns axis is 1. Now to alter the default behavior of dropna from dropping rows to dropping column, we have to define axis equal to 1. So this time we are asking dropna function to look at the columns, and if the column has even a single missing value or more, then remove or drop that column. Now we also want to change the original data frame, so we'll write in place equal to true and run. So this will drop now the columns with missing value in our original data frame df. To check the action, we will see that all the columns except name has been removed from the data frame because they have either one or more than one missing value.